So this is a 2004 Honda Civic, and for about the last 7,000 or 8,000 miles I've had this clunking sound. I just kind of thought it was a strut, and it got a little bit worse, so I thought, well, I better pull the tire off and figure out what it is. I think we've narrowed it down. Look at that. Suspension bolt for that lower A-arm just walked itself right out. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but that whole thing is just, I don't even know how it didn't fall out. But anyways, maybe we can just thread it back in and make that go away. All right, that's why we don't defer maintenance. We don't like to play stupid games and win stupid prizes.